Menuett. This is grade 4, list A. So 4th finger on your F, here's your first note. How do we find it? Put your hand on the cello in first position, play a 4th finger, your arm moves your hand to line up 1 with that finger. 4, 1, and now you just put your 4th finger down and you're in position. There's your first note. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First position. Go to 4th position. Back. Back. Now those shifts there. Before we talk about the shifts, just a little thing about the bowing. Look, you have a crotchet and then 4 quavers. You'll need more bow for the quavers. So you use a slightly longer, faster bow, then it places you in a good part of the bow to be then able to fit in 4 quavers in 1 up bow. And again, fast bow, slow bow, fast bow, slow. So if you try that just on an open string, light and fast, it's a whoosh. If you don't make it light, it will stick out a lot. Which is, we don't need it to sound like that. So slightly light bow, and then stronger, heavier contact on the string, and a slower bow for the quavers. So in 4th position, this is bar 5. So where 1 is, line up 3. Arm takes your fingers to the new position. Tiny shift, stretch back. Try it again, 4th position, bar 5. There's your starting note. And then where 1 is, you're going to line up 3. Remember that your arm takes your hand to the new position. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Tiny shift. So actually, your arm, you see this moving. It's pulling. The hand shape maintains, it stands firm. And the arm just pulls it. It's just like pulling a car, just pulling it on a rope, just pulling it back. The car stays the same shape wherever you put it. And that's what you're doing. Pull it back. Pull it back. Stretch. And then we go back to F again. First position. 4th position. Now again, light, fast bow. Harmonic, slow bow. Fast bow, slow bow. Now are you doing a 2 there or a 1, 2 and a 1, or a 4 and a 2? Whatever, you're going to need a 4 for your next note, the A, and you're going to stretch. Or you're just doing it in open A, which is fine as well. I can't remember what you have there. So this is the shift from the beginning of 3rd line. Tiny shift, stretch. Tiny shift forwards. And it's simply, we're nudging the car forwards now. The arm is putting the hand shape a centimetre further forwards. 3rd line. Tiny shift, stretch. Tiny shift, stay there. Where 3 is, line up. Stretch. 3rd line again, the first 4 bars. Open A or a 4, whichever you're doing. 1, 2, 3. Little shift forwards, where you are. Push back. first position, 4. Where 4 lives, put 1. First position, 2 up bows. Now, you know where A is? It's the same as the open A. So, stay there, just an open string, and then staying in that position, G string, open, first position. So just try that again. So line your third finger up with the A, and we go from the beginning of the last line, 1, 2, 3. Remember, fast bow for a single note, slower bow for the multiple notes in the slow. 2, 3. 1. Fast bow, slower bow. 1, 2, 3. Stretch 1 to 2. Tiny shift forwards, but then stretch. You've got to do a tiny shift forwards, but you complete the rest of the spacing by stretching your second finger out and playing a high 2, high 4. So I'm going to go from the last 4 bars. 1, 2, it's an up bow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Little shift, stretch. Straight across. There you go. Take these little steps that we've just worked on in this video and use them in your own practice. Or just keep playing through, but stop the video to do as many times as you need to get these things really in tune.